Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing swing of this beautiful silk dress. I've shared its cutting in my previous video. If you want to check it out, I'll share the link in the description box and in the I button on the screen. And also, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to get the new video notification. और अगर आप हमारी वीडियोस हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे दूसरे चैनल इजी स्विंग ट्यूटोरियल्स पर देख सकते हैं. चैनल का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में शेयर कर दूंगी. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. I have cut round shape for both front and back. And to finish the neckline, I'm using piece of plain fabric as facing. Place the facing on the neckline, right sides together, and make a stitch on the neckline shape from the wrong side. So I made a stitch on the neckline. Now I'll trim the facing in the neckline shape. Now make small cuts all around the neckline. Now turn around this facing towards the wrong side. Fold and iron the facing. So I have folded and ironed the facing, and this is how it looks. Now to secure it, you can make stitch or you can do invisible hemming. So front neckline is ready. Now I'll finish the back. On the back, firstly I'll attach the zipper and then I'll finish the neckline. So this is back. Firstly I'll attach the zipper, and for that I have overlocked both edges and I have folded and ironed the seam allowance on both sides. Now I'll attach the zipper. I'm using zipper foot to attach zipper. Place the zipper on the bodies, right sides together, and make a stitch as close to the teeth as you can. I have a detailed video on how to attach invisible zipper. If you want step-by-step instructions, you can check it out. I'll share the link in the description box. So I've attached one side. Now when you turn around the seam allowance towards the wrong side, this is how it will look. Now I'll attach it on the other side. So I've attached the zipper and this is how it looks. Now I'll finish the neckline using facing as I did for the front neckline. Finish the bottom round of the sleeves. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch on the inner edge to secure it. Similarly, I'll finish the other sleeve. Firstly, I'll finish the bottom round and I'll just overlock the other side. Just double fold the fabric like this and make a stitch on the inner edge to secure it. So I finished the bottom round and I have overlocked the top edge. Now I'll do marking for pleats. I'll leave around 1.5 inch for seam allowance. I'm taking pleat size 3 inch. So for 3 inch pleat I need 6 inch of fabric. If you're making 4 inch pleat, you will need 8 inch of fabric. If you're making 2 inch of pleat, then you will need 4 inch of fabric. So I'll mark a point at 6 inch and center of it, that is 3 inch, and I'll mark 4 inch downwards. So this is one pleat. This is a center point. Now I'll leave 3 inch of fabric. I'll show you why I have left this. Again, I'll mark 6 inch and the center point at 3 inch. Again 4.5 inch downwards. And so on. Now for each pleat, I'll just join these two lines like this, and I'll make a stitch till this end point. So I made a stitch. Now similarly I'll stitch the other pleat. Similarly, iron all the pleats. I've left 3 inch of space between each pleat because we need space when we press down the pleat. So I've ironed the pleats and this is how it looks from the right side. Now I'll attach the bodies with the bottom. Place the bodies on the bottom, right sides together, and make a stitch. So I have attached bodies and bottom. Now I'll overlock it. So I have attached bodies and bottom. Now keep the seam allowance direction upwards and make a top stitch. Similarly, I'll attach the back side. So I have attached bodies and bottom on both front and back side. Now place the front on the back and stitch shoulder slope on both sides. So I have attached the shoulder slope. Now I'll attach the sleeves. Place the sleeve on the bodies, right sides together. Match the center, front and back armhole curve and make a stitch. So I have attached the sleeve. Now I'll overlock it. Similarly, I'll attach the other sleeve. So I have attached both sleeves. Now lastly, I'll stitch the side fitting seam on both sides starting from the sleeve round.
And with this, my dress is completed and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.